In a bowl, combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, whisk milk, egg, and melted butter together. Pour wet ingredients into dry ingredients and mix until smooth. Pour batter onto a hot pan. Flip when bubbles appear. Cook until golden brown. Serve with butter and maple syrup. Watch as the bread slices toast to a perfect golden and crispy finish. Mash avocado in a bowl. Add salt and lemon juice. Spread mashed avocado evenly over toasted bread. Sprinkle black pepper and drizzle olive oil. Whisk the eggs with the salt and a little milk. Melt butter in a pan and cook eggs on low heat, stirring gently. Serve hot with toast. Cook bacon crispy on stovetop. Toast bread, light golden. Spread and layer. Mayo on all bread, mustard optional. Lay turkey, then bacon, avocado, tomato, lettuce. Cut and serve. Cut into triangles. Toast the bread. Toast whole grain bread until light golden and crispy. Prepare the avocado. Cut avocado, remove seed, mash gently with fork, add salt and lemon juice. Cook the eggs. Boil or lightly fry eggs using olive oil. Assemble the toast. Spread avocado on toast, place eggs on top. Season and serve. Sprinkle black pepper and serve fresh. Step 1. Cook quinoa until fluffy. Step 2. Chop the vegetables. Step 3. Mix quinoa and vegetables with olive oil and lemon. Prepare the celery. Wash the celery stalks and trim the ends. Tip: choose crisp, fresh celery for the best crunch. Fill each celery groove with peanut butter or cream cheese. This creates the log base. Add the ants. Place raisins on top, spaced like little ants walking on a log. Add optional toppings. Drizzle honey or place tiny blueberries, banana coins for extra flavor. Serve with tea. Enjoy immediately with a cup of hot tea or iced tea, perfect for a quick, healthy snack.